Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's going on, furniture nerds? I want to do this quick review for this 8-drawer dresser cubby that I literally just got done putting together. And my initial reaction, as soon as I was done with this, is that this thing is super functional. It's lightweight, and best of all, it's super easy to put together, okay? It took me about 10 minutes to put everything together, and I was using a drill. So if you don't have a drill, it does come with an Allen key for you to go ahead and tighten all the bolts, and it should take you probably less than 20 minutes. They're super easy to put together, including the cubbies, which come out very easily. And you can just slip them off like this, pack them away in case you ever want to disassemble it or something like that. Okay, very functional, very easy, very minimal tools to put this thing together. All right, so some of the features that I like the most about this, obviously, you can just pull the cubbies out just like that, and you can pack them away if you ever need to. On the bottom of these have levelers. So for example, this is a very level floor, so you don't necessarily need to mess with these on this. But if you do have a floor that is uneven, in order for you to avoid it wobbling on the floor, it's got these levelers on the bottom, and all you gotta do is twist on the part that is not level to the ground, and it will basically stabilize that for you. Other than that, guys, the material is super soft. Okay, it's cloth material, very lightweight, and it is perfect for small spaces, sort of like this, where you don't want something to take up too much space, but you do want some storage or additional storage outside of your closet or something like that, right? So I would highly recommend something like this if you're looking for storage in a smaller space. You want something that you aren't going to be committed to maybe for a long time, although this thing does look like it can withstand a very long time. This is something that you can pack away, put in the corner, and if you want to make space for a bigger dresser or something like that, this isn't going to be a burden to get rid of. As a matter of fact, you can probably find use for it or space for it somewhere else. So I would definitely give this particular 8-drawer cubby dresser a thumbs up, and if you are looking for something on the market that's similar to it, go ahead and check it out. Till then, guys, I'll check you guys on the next review.